What's up, OGs? It's day 4, I think, of Costa Rica. I didn't really say what day it was yesterday, but yesterday was my baby's birthday. Today is just Saturday, and we about to get in the pool, have some fun. I can't believe I found these snacks in their store here. These snacks I had to order online in the States. Anyways, I'm about to get a drink, get in the pool with my girls because it looks like it's gonna rain. We actually came during the rainy season like we always do, but it has always rains like at least once a day. It hasn't rained since we got here. So,
bruh.
but today it does look like it might rain. So we're gonna hurry up and get in the pool to enjoy it a little bit. I'm gonna start my day off with some wine because I can. Because I can and I will.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is the pink bubbly. We gotta finish this one first.
That's dumb strong. The what?
The rose she bought us with 10%.
Rose.
Bread. I'm not drinking on an empty stomach. Nicole's tuna fish with the warm rice and avocado in here. All right, let's eat this and then get in the pool. So I think they all know how to swim now. The first one that's still open. The pink bubbly.
The next day.
I'm sad, but I am happy to be able to have a home to go home to. It's such a beautiful day. The sun is just now coming, and as you can see, the girls have already been in the pool for like hours. We got Mama V over there chilling. This view is unforgettable, unbelievable. I've had such a great time, but me and Bae are about to head to the store because somehow, some way, the baby done ran out of diapers, and so we need to go get some diapers and I think some wipes too for the way back home and for tonight. I want to go to the beach, but I don't know how that's gonna work with the baby. It's about a $5 Uber drive, and what we had to do the other day when we went to Ginger was take 2 Ubers because of the baby car seat and everything. But yeah, guys, I'm definitely gonna bring you along today for our last day here. I'm wearing some of the things that I bought at Asia, the boutique. I got this ring. I love this ring and this shirt. On the back it says, well, I'll show you guys later. It's on the back. It says my favorite people call me Mama. So yeah, we're about to go. I'm gonna like get some water and everything for our little before we leave, because I've been dehydrated. I've been dehydrated lately, like not really dehydrated, but just super uber thirsty. And luckily I have water out the fridge that tastes really filtered and good, and ice cubes. Get a little more water. Then like I've been putting some lime juice in it. This one kind of stale. But look how much juice is coming.
She's gonna always find a way to make her way inside of here.
I know. Can you take a video of the back of my shirt?
Mama!
Oh, now you know I'm mine. Mine to the end of time. That's why I'm giving you peace of mind. Thought they would never die. You can't deny. I said mine, 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 mine. Always you to be mine, 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 mine. Always I. Oh, now you know you're mine. Mine to the end of time. That's why I'm giving you peace of mind. Thought they would never die. You didn't deny. I said mine, 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 mine. Always you to be mine, 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 mine. Always I. Oh, now you know you're mine. Mine to the end of time. That's why I'm giving you peace of mind. Thought they would never die. You can't deny.
Adios. Want a cart? You want to get a cart? It smells like regular liquor in here. Well, let me see if they got the brittle here. No, they only got the chocolate. Huh? I know. You wanna try it? Bro, I can do it. You just gotta go like this. It feels much better. But I got my Pellegrinos. It's on a straight liquor in here. Cafe vanilla, cafe cappuccino, cafe. I should get your mom one. Ooh, don't play with me. This is my last day too. A cheesecake, should I do it, y'all? Or should I get the whole? This is big. I don't need that much. They got more stuff in back. I'll come back. Let's see what else they got. We're looking for diapers. Diapers. Oh goodness. I feel like it would have been right there. I feel like it would have been right there.
What?
The diapers. Oh, here's the shirts. I want a shirt. Right? Nothing else. All of these other ones were early, Quicksilver. Like I literally live right next to Cocoa Beach. So. This one says always trust the process. I like a man shirt. I think this one was meant for me. I'm gonna get this one. I don't want to get no shirt, but I need this shirt for the airport tomorrow. Found the formula that I was thinking about trying for her. This is only 9 diapers, babe.
Yeah, I know.
It's enough for the trip
Yeah.
and tonight.
Yeah.
But thankfully, the place had a lot of stuff. Oh, look at these big juicy mangoes. These are huge. See, Ma, they do have the mangoes. But the big one, hi, this is just the local, the little mini market. More kiwi, but these ones are fuzzy. The plum. In the bag. Grapes. This be great for stir fry. We gotta get some of that cabbage, broccoli. I made a little stir fry tonight. Huh? Okay. Got wine. Huh?
A la una.
Yeah, they got filet mignon.
Ah, sí, sí. Se pierda.
Cheese.
Que gane cualquiera, pues sin una bolsa de arroz.
They got a little bit of seafood. They got the green shell mussels. A big old salmon. What is that?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. More fried chicken. Where's the restaurant? You said it was right here.
Yes, I think it's
Down there.
might have passed it. That's right next to here. I know that.
They got the salmon too, like a big old piece of salmon right there. Take it back. But then that's like, we gotta do that now, huh? Go to the restaurant.
After we leave.
Yeah. Like, not come back. This one got pescado, onion rings, popcorn, tuna, taquitos, empanadas. But how much is 2010?
Tyson wings. Tyson wings. You said 20.
On the plane ride or at home. These are like the little candies. Marshmallow. Chips. More cheese and meat. Yogurts. Did you like that mixed berry? So like a tea. Real sugar tea. Get they'll drink it all tonight. If you want to get it. These are the tea, the other teas I was thinking about trying, but I'm gonna try the one I got. Oh, the rest of chips, cheese balls, flattened chips, chicharrocas with lime, yuca chip, flattened strips. Huh?
Ask them about the legal
So say it in Spanish. Let me get the phone, do the translation. Do the translation. Habla inglés? Can we leave this here and come right back? This cart.
Ahí?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
I'll come right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this.
Esos son de ellos para que no lo.
All right, we left the cart there because we're gonna go to this restaurant. It don't look like it's open though. There's another boutique. Oh, that's the souvenir shop. Y'all didn't look like it was open either. It's Sunday, so I think a lot of things are closed today. Because it's Sunday. Like the fish market was closed. And this restaurant looks really close. Hi. Hello. Do they open later? Probably not. The souvenir shop does say open though. But we don't need souvenirs, we need food. No food. Let me show you the little. Which one? This is El Sabor. Is it down more?
This one says it's supposed to be.
Y'all, we gotta figure this out. Because if not, it look like we might eat some more fried chicken again tonight. We ate on our first night. But the packs of chicken they got in there are very little, so we have to get. How far is that? So we back in the store. Alright, we gotta figure out something here. Let me get mine. Cheeto. This one is my favorite. That piece of salmon, y'all, that piece of salmon was $79. Hey guys, we are back from the store and we decided to get some shrimp, frozen shrimp. We found some jumbo shrimp, but they was trying to charge, how much? $40 for a bag of shrimp? We were like, yeah. And we found a piece of salmon.
For a piece of salmon.
It was $70, like the same salmon you get at Aldi. $70. And we
I think it's important too.
big bag of fries. We got this mixed fruit juice, Tropical. Cheers. That's pretty good. I burnt my stove. Right there. I don't know if you can see. Messing up my tattoo. Look. I packed some burn cream. My first aid. So they do have a first aid thing up there too in the laundry room. Oh, that feels so much better. Rub it in or leave it?
That's the theater right there.
Yeah. Where? little bar area. You want to keep walking? Or you want to go lower and then walk?
What is it?
Come on, y'all. I guess you could sit here and order because they got a little menu. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They could sit there and order. French tropical salad. Seafood. They got the whole red snapper for $19,000.
$22 for some buffalo wings, but only $15,000 for a seafood platter.
What's the seafood platter come with?
It don't say, it just say mixed fried seafood to shit.
Is that a coconut?
Steaks. Yeah. It's 45.
That water look like it's get inable though.
$9 for the mozzarella sticks.
Pretty, like West Bay.
The beach is not pretty.
The beach
It
is.
looks better.
Do you think because it's not sunny right now?
No, it's not. Doesn't look good. Look at this. This is ugly.
But
It's ugly.
it's just the
I ain't gonna call
calm,
it ugly.
just a calm water.
Yeah, the water is like calmer.
Cause what beach was that when we went on in that
Whale
resort?
Huh?
The resort was Whale Tail.
When we went to the beach last time, it was like whale tail.
No, not that
Oh,
one.
you talking about the
Just
resort?
me and you, yeah.
Punta Islita? That
Yeah.
beach still wasn't that nice either.
But what was that beach called?
I really want to say it was a Hermosa too. Cause I posted the view from the house on Reddit on the Costa Rica travel. And I
Yeah.
was like, Playa Hermosa was a good choice. And someone was like, which one? There's like 5 in the country.
Oh my God, they be going on.
What? So they can see which one I'm talking about. Our
The water feels cold to you? Yeah, it's cold. If you want to go all the way in. Gracias. No.
It's on the tip, like on the other side, on the tip.
Alright, we're gonna do some exploring on the beach and see what's going on here in these neck of the woods. It's so beautiful. Not as beautiful as West Bay Beach, but you know, it's still God's creation, so it's a beach. Costa Rica doesn't have that great of beaches, I'll tell you that. But it has great atmosphere, great people. But it's not hot today. It feels good. The water is a little cool. My daughters are enjoying it. We were able to leave the babies with our mom. So yeah, we were able to leave the babies for a little bit. So we're just gonna enjoy it while we can. She got wet, I think. y'all. We in the pool the last night in the pool. But it is so cold. I can't stay in here. But I just wanted to show y'all this view. Can you not do that on the arm with my camera? She trying to let me drop my camera. Look at this view. This. Hey OGs. Say hey OGs. Look at this.
Mommy.
Beautiful
Mommy.
view. Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes. Let me see you. Too cold, y'all. But I really enjoyed this trip. Was the best. I will check in with you guys tomorrow before we leave and go to the airport or at the airport or whatever. But if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Alright. Let's see our matching swimsuits. It do, like, that's how cold I be.
This is the last. Tomorrow we have to leave. Tomorrow we have to leave?
Yeah.
I
didn't know y'all didn't know that.
No, I thought the day after tomorrow we were leaving. Yeah, me too.
No. We were thinking about staying extra days, like, when we first booked it, but we didn't end up getting them. But didn't you have a good time?
No, I had a great time. Tonight, I'm waving my hair. Oh, I'm sorry. She actually saved me.
We went back to Ginger and got
I'm good.
those parfaits. But do you know we only got one thing of the shrimp, fries,
Sorry, let's say hi to
two
each other.
gelatos, two parfaits. That came to $100 because they taxed two different taxes. One 10%, one 13%.
Can I look?
Costa Rica
Let's say hi to
is
each
not cheap, y'all. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Costa Rica is not cheap. So I want our next vacation to be like Thailand and Vietnam somewhere, because we were thinking about moving there.
Let's say.
So I would love to like visit, you know.
Or later in the morning.
But here's the moon, y'all. Here and it's raining. I'm so glad that every day not rain, and my girls were able to enjoy the pool without the rain. But as you can see now, it's sprinkling, and there are some neighbors across the way now that we really would have been, you know, seeing. I don't know if you can hear them, but like across the way over there. Not that I don't mind or anything, but it's so cool, like the privacy that we had here. Even though the houses are close together, nobody was there until today. So it kind of works out perfect. The rain, the neighbors, it's just like everything's saying like, yeah, it's time to go back home. And I'm ready to go. I got my Costa Rica shirt on. We have like an hour. And then I found out that there's not complimentary transfers to the airport. It's actually $99 for the shuttle ride to the airport, which is like 20 minutes away. But the Ubers are like $50. But we would need 2 Ubers, so it would still come up to be about the same. And I wish I had knew that from the beginning. But it's all good. Like I said, Costa Rica is expensive. It's not like you come here and you're like in Thailand or Vietnam where everything is cheap. You're gonna spend some money here. I think like tourism is big for them. So just like any other Caribbean country, it is a little bit more like, I don't know about South America, like Peru and all of them. I never been there though. Only South American country I've been to is Aruba, and you know Aruba is big on tourism too. So, but like the prices here for everything just seems a little bit more than Aruba or Puerto Rico or Jamaica was. I don't know. I just feel like they're taxing. Like they charge 10% plus another 13%. We went back to that restaurant yesterday. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Came to $100, and that was like popcorn shrimp for 2, French fries for 2, 2 gelatos, and 2 sundaes for $100 with the tax and everything. But regardless, I still love Costa Rica. I just don't know if I will be coming here again soon. I'd rather save up to go to Thailand, to experience Vietnam, to experience those Southeast countries or Asian countries that once you get there, yeah, it's expensive to get there, but once you get there, it's cheap. Cheap, 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 cheap. And you know, we live in such an inflated time right now that that experience is what I want, you know, because I'm tired of spending so much for everything. Aren't you tired? Comment below if you're tired of spending on everything. But I don't regret getting this ring, and I don't regret getting my shirts. I posted it yesterday on my IG, so check that out at OG Queen V. And I will see you guys at the airport. I'm gonna show you the Liberia airport because this will be my first time going to the Liberia airport. Usually we fly out of San Jose. When Spirit was around, they had them cheap flights. But yeah, we're about to go, so let's do it. Made it to the airport. We made it to the airport. Checking in now. It's not that busy. Pretty busy, but not that busy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We gonna make it through.
One eternity later.
Beautiful Orlando. A long, treacherous flight. We finally made it back home to the Orlando airport. Woo. But you know what? I'm happy we went. Had a great time. Now we're going home.
My mind falling away in my heart. I know you feel the same when you're with me. You know I'm all you need. You're where I wanna be. My darling, can't you see?